This is a piano tutorial for the Beatles tune Lady Madonna. And this one's in the key of G, so not too many black keys to watch out for, just F sharp. And I'm going to give you the fingering for the melody in your right hand. You're going to start with your fifth finger on B flat. Then the next phrase, you're going to put your second finger on this B note. Then you put your fifth finger on B again. Then move your second finger up to D or B here. Well, excuse me. When you're going to get down to your G note there, you're going to have to lift up your thumb and do it like this. Let's see, try that again. So that's the best way to do that. Third finger on C here. Third finger on B flat. Third finger on C again. Then you got your fifth finger on D. Third finger on B. Fourth finger on this B. Second finger here on B. Second finger there on that F. And then it's just the G chord there to end it. So that's your fingering in the right hand. Let's do that with the chords. Your first chord is a G chord. So it's a D, G, B like that. C chord there, C, E, G. G again. D, G, B. C again. G again. C. There's an E flat chord. There's kind of an interesting thing going on there. You're playing your melody first. That's on the fourth beat of that measure, and then your E flat comes on the first beat of the next measure there. So it's E flat, G, B flat. Excuse me. So it's a little bit of a funky thing going on there rhythm-wise. So your chord's coming in at a different spot than the melody note is there. Then you're at G chord here again. F, A, C there, G, G, B, D like that. Now you've got a C minor chord, C, E flat, and G. Suitcase is F7, F, A flat, C, E flat, B flat, F, B flat, and D. And then you've got C minor again. So that's C, E flat, and G. F7. So it's F, A flat, or excuse me, F, A, C, E flat. There's a B flat, F, B flat, D. A, C, E flat. And then you're at the beginning again. So I'm going to do it for you. Practice the hands alone slowly on this one, and then put it together. It sounds like this. Back at the beginning. So that's that one.